this. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, I'm Megan and I'm here with my sister
Mariah.
and we're going to do today a What's Inside the Box challenge. Sorry. We're going to do today a What's Inside the Box challenge, and for those of you who don't know how this game goes, we each picked out 6 items and we're each going to take turns putting something inside this box, and the other person has to blindfoldedly reach their hands in and try to guess what that item is. So, do you want to go first? I am ready when you are.
I'm not eating this. Do I have to show it to the camera?
Yeah.
Look at this. This is what's gonna be in there. Uh-huh. Okay.
That was awkward. Am I ready?
Yeah, it's okay.
Did you find it? Ew, it's your deodorant cover. Where'd it go? This is your deodorant cover. It's been on your stinky armpits.
The cover hasn't.
No, but the deodorant has, and then the cover goes back over it, and yeah.
It does?
Do you not put the cover back over it?
No, they have a cap.
If it's something that's gonna jump at me, I will murder you.
If it's a bug, you know, actually, I don't care about bugs. If it's a spider, or like, okay, something that will crawl on me, I will hit you.
It's
Is it
in.
something that will crawl on me? It's in!
It's
in it?
No, it's in the box.
I don't want to do it. No. What did you put in there? Is it gonna bite me? Is it gonna bite me?
Maybe.
What do you mean, maybe?
You just gotta find out. It's
No! Wait! I can't hear it. I don't trust it. I don't
you
trust
can
it.
pull out.
What do you mean? Is it a bug?
That's
your
me. Go
Is it
for
a
it. No, maybe.
Okay.
Go both hands.
That's enough.
Go both hands.
No.
You didn't feel anything. You didn't even touch it. Both hands.
I felt enough. What is it?
You have to guess.
Is it a person?
No, it's not a person.
Is it a roly
You
poly?
can't leave them.
Is it a toy? Is this a mask?
Yeah.
No. Ow! Ow! It got in my eye. Oh my goodness. Oh my. God said, let there be light.
Okay. You ready?
No, I'm rubbing my eyes. Oh,
I don't
That
think
was
I'm gonna do
terrifying.
it as tight this time.
I was terrified.
It was a mask.
But I didn't know that. I could put no like bug in there or something.
I could have, but I didn't think about that. There is a roly-poly sitting right there on the...
Yeah.
Okay. I don't like that laugh. My watch is going off.
Okay, it's in.
Wait.
Nope, nope, nope. Cheater! You see
I'm not
it?
cheating. I had my watch go off. I'm just...
You're addicted.
No, I'm just making sure it wasn't a phone call coming in because that could have interrupted my recording. My eyes are still.
He won't bite.
What is it? Oh, I'm scared.
He won't bite. He might bite. Just don't anger him. Don't shake him. Don't shake him.
Stop it. You don't have anything that can make me scared, but I'm scared.
If you shake him, he'll bite you.
There's no.
There's no.
Shut your mouth.
Don't let him bite you. Don't let him bite you.
Where is it? Was it a tampon?
This whole time you were so scared. It's just a tampon.
It felt slimy.
It's so unused.
Okay, go all in, and I would not suggest flipping the box around.
Why?
Just go all in.
Alright. I did it anyway.
Do that.
All in. What do
No,
you?
you have to go inside what's in there.
No.
Yeah.
No.
You have to try and guess what it is.
It's water.
No, it's not.
Is it
You
pee?
can't leave it in the box.
Why?
Cause.
Why?
Go all in.
No.
Go in. Are you scared? Don't dump it.
Why? Is it water? Oh.
Go
Oh. It doesn't smell good.
No. Guess what it is, dang it.
What?
Guess what it is.
I don't know. I don't know. Diaper stuff? Oh, is it slime?
No.
What is it?
It's blue applesauce.
Oh. Here, take my thing off because I can't see.
Jerk.
Go all in. Don't dump it!
And you dumped it anyway.
Well, yeah, I thought it was water.
But if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this, and I might do one with my kids as well and try and get them to guess. That'll be funny. You know it will. If you want to see more videos like this, then be sure to hit the big red subscribe button and turn on the post notifications so you get and turn on the post notifications so you get alerts every time I come out with new videos. And until next time, bye!
Bye!